Dopamine, which is talked about all the time, is widely misunderstood, often labelled the happy chemical. This description is actually misleading. Neuroscience shows that dopamine is actually primarily the craving chemical. It drives wanting, not necessarily enjoying. In other words, it motivates us to pursue rewards, to act and to chase, rather than simply feeling satisfied. Recognising this distinction is especially important in today's modern world of continual, relentless stimulation. Dopamine is released in anticipation of a reward, not when the reward is actually received. It signals to the brain, go, seek, engage. Evolutionarily, this system was adaptive. Our ancestors needed motivation to find food, secure shelter, and avoid danger. Missing a reward or a threat could have serious consequences. In contemporary society, our dopamine system is increasingly leveraged in ways that can be completely maladaptive. Platforms such as social media, with things like ultra-processed foods and other easily accessible sources of cheap stimulation, provide rapid, low-effort bursts of dopamine. These quick hits train the brain to prioritise immediate gratification over more sustained, meaningful experiences. In a world characterised by chronic stress, constant distractions and competing demands on attention, this pattern can undermine longer-term, healthier forms of reward, often associated with serotonin and slower, more enduring satisfaction, leaving individuals caught in cycles of fleeting pleasure with limited lasting benefit. The good news is that this system is malleable. A deliberate dopamine reset can help recalibrate the brain's reward pathways. One practical strategy is the 10-minute delay. When we feel the urge to grab your phone or engage in any other immediate gratification, pause for 10 minutes. Use that time to take a short walk, complete a small task, or just breathe. This brief interruption gives the brain space to choose a healthier decision over a fleeting impulse. Dopamine is powerful, but the human mind is adaptable, and through consistent, deliberate practice, we can reshape attentional priorities, strengthen executive control over impulse behaviours, and restore a healthier mindset where we learn to be satisfied in healthier ways over the long term. In a world dominated by instantaneous stimulation, understanding and managing our dopamine drives is not merely useful but essential for sustaining productivity as well as well-being.